Hey guys, today's February 24th. We're doing a video of 2016 Freightliner Cascadia with fresh DOT inspection. Really a nice truck here. Nice burgundy color. It's a manual 10-speed. It's got 601, 173 on the miles. Does have an idle shutdown on it. Sure, if you request it, they can get rid of that for you. It's got 609, 173 on the miles, power windows, mirrors, CD player, tilt, telescope, cruise, Jakes. It's got your lane and collision mitigation systems, dual air ride seats, wood grain interior, button tuck interior. Optimized idle. Thank you guys for checking out our trucks.